Hello, today I'm going to quickly show you how to graph a trig function in GeoGebra using sliders. So I've opened my GeoGebra file. I want to go up to settings, go to my x-axis, and I want my x-axis to have units of pies instead of just regular numbers. Then I go over here to the input on the algebra side of the screen, type in my generic trig function y equals a plus b times the sine of c times x plus d. That's the general form of the trig function that we typically teach our students. And when I push enter, the a, b, and c and d automatically become sliders that if you click on these buttons here, the sliders will appear on the screen over here for the students. They can change the sliders back and forth and see what happens to the vertical shift, the amplitude, the period, and the phase shift of a trigonometric function. They can also hit the play buttons and watch them play automatically.